First, you want to log into Airbus World, go to Fleet, then Aeronautical Data. Click on Download My Maps located on the bottom. Next thing we want to do is refine the search so it's easier to find what we need. In this case, we'll be doing North America and New York cyclic data. Then go to the bottom and hit search. Okay, the next thing that'll pop up is the different selections. Go ahead and click the three dots of the one you need and hit download. Wait for the download to complete, and once it's complete, we're done with that step. It's now time to transfer the data we just downloaded to a thumb drive so it can be transferred to the helicopter's Helionix laptop. Click yes there. Wait for the transfer to complete, and you should be good to go. Now we're at the Helionix laptop under User AHDL. You'll see that big orange box at the top tells you you're under the right partition. Now move the data from the thumb drive to the desktop of the laptop. Okay, now we need to put the helicopter into Helionix maintenance mode. We'll do that by removing the side panel off the left rear of the aircraft, holding the Helionix maintenance button. After that, go up and verify your DTD box is closed. Now power on the aircraft. Okay, wait for the screens to come up. It'll take a few seconds, but once you get to the notepads right here, you can now release the Helionix maintenance button and the helicopter will go into maintenance mode. Alright, you'll see all this pop up and get the yellow X's. Once all of those turn green, you should be good to go. And we can go on to the next step. It only takes a few seconds. Alright, they just all turn green. Now on to the next steps. We can now open the DTD box and connect the Ethernet cable from there to the back of your laptop. Okay, once that's installed, go ahead and go to the Age data loader. The password should be on a sheet that is included in the Pelican case of the helicopter. Go ahead and type your username password in. Now click Aeronautical Data. Load on aircraft. Wait for the laptop to show up with all three of the MFDs. It'll take a second for them to talk. Right there we got them to pop up. Then go to the file at the bottom, click it. It won't show up at first. You got to make sure you go down and select all files or add zip, because the zip file will not show up if you don't do that step. So right there is the data we need. Click that, then hit select. Okay, now it knows what data it wants to install on all four MFDs. Hit next, then hit start loading at the top. Okay, this typically takes a minute for it to load. Cyclic data usually takes around 20 minutes or so. If you do non-cyclic data, plan on it being about 5 hours. Make sure the laptop's plugged in. Okay, now that all that's complete, we got green check marks. You click next, then finish at the bottom, then continue, and you're good to go. That means the data has successfully been installed to the Helionix. Now disconnect the laptop and close the data transfer device. You can now shut the aircraft battery switch off and wait for about 30 seconds. Now turn it back on. Once it loads up, you'll get this display that says database expired. Go ahead and hit systems, and at the bottom, data B. Then on the side, we will click load and confirm. They should switch over, and after a few seconds, the white advisory that says database expired should go away. When you load this thing up, it automatically installs the one that you load. So sometimes if you're doing it a couple days early, it will automatically upload it. Then you will have to go in and switch it back to the one that's still active until midnight of the day that it expires. Then after this, it should be complete.